Hi, this is Dr. Raja from Aayushmann Academy. Now we see about the signs of antenatal hanging. The first sign was salivary dribbling. It is because of the stimulation of salivary gland or stimulation due to the pterygopalatine ganglia. The second one was ligature mark. The ligature mark was dry, hard, and pigmentation. The third one was law facies sympathetic. It is pressure over the cervical sympathetic chain due to the ligature mark. The fourth one was protruded tongue and cyanosis on face, ears, and lips. The fifth one was fecal and urine expulsion because of the relaxation of sphincter muscles. Thank you.